I came here today to have a good time with you, and that's working so far for me. We brought about 15 or 20% of our grandchildren, which is 2. We have, Mary and I do 11 grandchildren so far. We've got 5 children so far, and we've got another grandchild coming in September. My mother down at Crystal Springs is 102. So I say all that to tell you, we are long-term Mississippi people. We've been around down there in Copiah County for quite a while, and we hope to stay there. I also hope to stay on the Supreme Court for another term. Leake County, Scott County, Madison County, all these surrounding counties were very good to me in 2008. That was my first time to run for the Supreme Court. Before that, I had been a district attorney down in Copiah, Lincoln, Pike, and Walthall counties. I served with some really good people on the Supreme Court, but I have more criminal law experience than all of them put together. That's not a criticism of them. I'm just telling you that over half of what we do involves criminal cases. And Jim Kitchens is the qualified, experienced fellow in this race as far as criminal law is concerned. I also practiced all kinds of law for over 40 years. When I was an attorney, I did not represent the big corporations, the big banks, the big insurance companies. I represented regular Mississippi families. Every kind of legal problem that you've had in your family, I've handled it. Whether it was a deed or a will or something more serious, I've done it all, and I'm thankful that I've had that privilege over the years. Mary Kitchens and I have been married 48 years. I think that's a pretty good start, don't you? And I think she deserves the credit for it. She's over there under that oak tree. That is one lucky oak tree to have Mary Kitchens standing under it with 2 of those grandsons over there with her. We come as a package deal. She is the lady that elected me in 2008. I give her the credit. And I'm going to tell you why, and you will agree with me. If you have a television set in your house, in 2008, you saw a nice lady come on your TV who was in her kitchen, and there was a goofy old guy standing over there to the side. I was a goofy guy. Mary Kitchens was a nice lady, and she said to you, "Hi, I'm Mary Kitchens, and this is my kitchen. That's my husband, Jim. He's a good husband. He's a good daddy. He's a good lawyer. He's a good granddaddy. But he comes in here and messes my kitchen up. And I need your help. I want you to help me get Jim Kitchens out of my kitchen and on to the Mississippi Supreme Court." You did that. She's back here begging you again today because she's scared I'm going to slip back in her kitchen if I don't win this election. Now, the election will be on your ballot when you go to vote for president, when you go to vote for your member of the United States House of Representatives, and you've got some Court of Appeals races and perhaps some other races on your ballot. But when you go and vote on November the 8th, I urge you, and Mary Kitchens begs you, after you voted for president, Congress, all those other things, save one for Jim Kitchens for the Mississippi Supreme Court. God bless America on this Independence Day, and God bless you. Have a good time, and thank you for your attention.